Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore this drill down and drill up and drill through features in Power BI. So this is part of AI and Power BI category. If you want to go through my other blogs under this category, please refer my blogs. This drill up and drill down or drill through, so these are very interesting feature in any business intelligence tools. And Power BI has the same features, but it has some twist. In this blog, we are going to explore expand function, collapse features, and drilling up, drilling down features, as well as drill through for a measure or for a column. Now we are in Power BI Desktop. You already may be aware from my other videos that I am going to use this Superstore data. So I have imported this dataset from Kaggle, and it's very interesting data definitely. It has some product level information like category, subcategory, and product name. So first, moving on to the different features, I'm going to create one hierarchy. Okay, so how will you create that? So this is a category field. Just click on this and click on this create hierarchy. Once you click on this create hierarchy, this category hierarchy will be created, and then just select the other field like subcategory. Click on this subcategory and just adding, there will be another feature like add to hierarchy, and you can automatically add to this hierarchy field. Okay, and in this way I'm adding this product name, so my category hierarchy is in place. Okay, now I'm going to create one report without this hierarchy first. How will you do that? You need to select this matrix visual. Matrix visual, when I'm selected this and dropping all those columns in the row section, category, subcategory, and product name, it is automatically considering this data in a different levels. Okay, considering category in the highest level, then subcategory, then the product name, and in the value section I'm adding this total cells. So our matrix visual is ready. So by default, you will get this collapse feature. Okay, definitely you are aware of that. This plus sign, it's for collapsing the data. If I click on this, it will expand to the next level. Okay, in this way, you can find out the information based on different levels. Now here you can observe when I'm selecting this furniture, okay, so it's moving to the next level subcategory. So it is not removing or it is not filtering out this other category, because other category information is also available. Now if you want to click on this, right click, if you go to expand, there will have different options, selection, entire level, all. Okay, if I go to selection, it is going to the next level. Let me bigger this view. Okay, first now we want to collapse the view. Okay, so right click, collapse, and selection. It will just furniture is collapsed. Okay, now again I'm going to do expand, selection. Okay, right click, collapse, and entire level. All levels are collapsed. So I think this is a very wonderful features we have in Power BI. So it's a good part is in the same view we can visualize all level of data. It's not in filter out. Okay. In the similar way, because this is based on that without hierarchy, if you go to this report here, if you can observe, I have selected this hierarchy. So the features will be implemented in the same way, but just using hierarchy is I'm just dropping one column, so it will be more reusable code. Okay, now we'll move on to the drill up and drill down feature. How will you do that? If I click on this, right click, and you can find out drill down. So if you observe that I'm selecting on this furniture and drill down, whenever I'm pressing this button drill down, you can observe the other category fields are not here. That means those field values are filtered out. Only furniture's subcategory level is present here. If you want to observe the filter condition for this view, you can observe that category is furniture. So this is the main difference in expand, collapse and drill down and drill up features. Okay, now I'm just going to right click and drill up. Now all other category informations are available here and the filter condition is not present here. Okay, so I hope you understood how drill down and drill up features is working in Power BI. So when you are going to demonstrate any project to your customers or your users, you have to explain these features. Okay, otherwise they will maybe confused like how they can use this expand and drill up feature. Okay, now it's time for drill through features. Drill through is nothing but for any project we have summary report and there will have some detailed report. Definitely in a summary report we have some aggregated information and in detailed report we have all the detail level information. For example, here I have this category level total sales, but I am not aware what all the order ID are involved here in this furniture category. Okay, so if I want to know all this information, I have to go through the detail report. Now how will I configure this navigation from summary report to detail report? So this is part of drill through report. Okay, first what I have done, first I have created one sales detail report. Okay, where I have mentioned this category, subcategory information. Otherwise, you cannot track like which category or which subcategory this order ID is part. Order ID, total sales, profit, quantity, all those information. Now, when I have created this sales detail report, what I have done in the visualization section under this drill through section, I have given this total sales under this drill through section because total sales, like from the summary report, if I have any total sales measure and from there if I'm going through to this detailed report, I'll show you in the next steps. Okay, so in this way you need to configure one detailed report as a which will be considered as a drill through report or a drill through detailed report. Okay, and I mentioned there. Now then I'm just creating another detailed report, that is product detail report. There is also I'm adding this category and subcategory, product name and total sales. So this is a product name information level. Here I have done in the drill through section, I have added this category field. That means category is our dimension value. So in any report, if we have any category information and if you want to navigate from this category information to the detail level information like detailed product level information, so those fields should be mentioned in this drill through section and keep all filters should be on. In the whenever we are using this dimension value, you can observe this is in an enable condition. That means you can do on or off. So it should be on. It means from the summary report to the detailed report, when it will be navigate, it will consider all the filtered value, whatever you have applied in your summary report, that should be replicated to the next detailed report. Now we have to verify how my drill through reports are working for a summary report. Okay, so I'm just going through this report with hierarchy and just in the furniture, right click and you can observe, because I'm just if you observe that I'm clicking on the category value. Okay, so this is the dimension value, furniture, drill through, and you can find out only product detail report is enabled. I'm just clicking on this product detail. If you can observe, I've selected only furniture, so my furniture informations are available here. Okay, so in this way I can drill through from a column. Okay, so this is a dimension column. Now I'm going back to report hierarchy again. I'm just clicking on this, for example, office suppliers. Okay, and in office suppliers, if we have this total sales, 719,047.03. Just remember this total sales value, okay? Because we have to verify. Right click, drill through, and you can observe here we can get both the options, sales detail report and product detail report. I'm just clicking on this sales detail report, and you can observe my total sales value is matching 713,047.03, and I'm getting all the information for office supplies category. Okay, so in this way you can do this report navigation. Now if you want to go back, just click on this, and now you're coming back. Control click. Now you're coming back to this report hierarchy. This back button will be automatically enabled. You don't have to do anything. So it's very interesting feature in Power BI. I hope you got an idea about this drill through functionality, drill down, drill up, expand and collapse features in Power BI. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.